Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we take a deep dive into the products that promise to elevate your beauty routine. If you're looking for a blush that offers stunning, buildable color without feeling heavy, stay tuned as we explore the Too Faced Cloud Crush blush in the shade Candy Clouds. This powder blush claims to deliver high pigment, blendable, and matte color with a cruelty-free and vegan formula. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Too Faced Cloud Crush blush is a powder blush that boasts a matte finish and buildable coverage. What sets it apart is the claim of being ultra-pigmented, yet still lightweight on the skin, so you're not left with that powdery, cakey finish. The key ingredients work to ensure smooth application while maintaining that long-lasting, fresh flush. Plus, it's completely vegan and cruelty-free, which is a big draw for those conscious about the ethical side of their beauty purchases. When it comes to using this blush, the first thing I noticed was how effortlessly it blended onto the skin. It's incredibly smooth, so there's no harsh lines or patchiness, just a soft, natural flush that you can build on depending on how intense you want the color. The Candy Cloud shade, a cool, soft pink, was a dream for my fair skin, but I can see it working well on a variety of skin tones. It's not too warm or too cool, making it universally flattering, especially if you're into soft, youthful looks. I put it to the test throughout my day, morning meetings, an afternoon coffee run, and some light gym time, and I was impressed with how well it held up. I didn't notice any fading or patchiness, and my skin didn't feel like it was suffocating under layers of product. It's got that breathable, natural feel that so many of us crave from a powder blush. On the downside, while the pigmentation is great, if you go overboard on application, it can become a bit more intense than expected, especially for those with a lighter hand. So, be careful when building layers, as it can go from subtle to bold pretty quickly. That said, once you find your balance, it's smooth sailing. What I love about this blush is how versatile it is. The texture is silky, and the finish is matte, so it won't accentuate any texture or dryness. It's perfect for those with oily or combination skin, since it gives that soft focus effect without becoming greasy or dewy over time. Plus, the buildable nature means you can customize it based on your mood, whether you want a natural flush for the day or a bolder look for the evening. In terms of value, Too Faced Cloud Crush Blush is a mid-range product, which feels justified for the quality you're getting. The pigmentation, buildability, and blendability are all top tier. However, if you're working with a tighter budget, there are some other blushes out there that might give you a similar effect without the higher price tag. But if you're willing to splurge a little on quality and ethical beauty, this one is definitely worth considering. Comparing it to other high pigment blushes on the market, I'd say the Too Faced Cloud Crush stands out in terms of blendability. A lot of highly pigmented blushes can be a bit tricky to work with, but this one offers a much more forgiving application. It's less likely to leave you with harsh lines, making it easier for beginners and seasoned makeup artists alike. As far as the build quality goes, I have no complaints. The packaging is sturdy and compact, and it feels luxe without being over the top. It's the type of packaging that's easy to throw in your bag for touch-ups without worrying about it breaking apart or spilling everywhere. If you're not keen on splurging, there are alternatives worth checking out. Products like the Milani Baked Blush or ColourPop Super Shock Blush offer similar buildable color and excellent wear, often at a lower price point. Both deliver long-lasting results with a more budget-friendly cost. To sum it up, Too Faced Cloud Crush Blush is a solid performer. Its buildable matte formula gives you control over how much color you apply, and its vegan and cruelty-free status is an added bonus for those of us who prioritize ethical beauty. If you're in the market for a blush that's both high quality and versatile, this one is definitely worth adding to your collection. I recommend it for anyone looking to enhance their blush game without the heaviness. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.